the audiovisual industry, all three.
The Film Fiji board directors that are present today, Film Fiji acting CEO, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, Bulavanaka, and a very good morning to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, in June this year, we had announced the mobile movie competition to replace the 2020 Kula Awards. And today, about 3 months odd later, it gives me great pleasure to announce the winners of this very competition. This competition, ladies and gentlemen, has enabled budding young filmmakers to use their mobile phones to produce short videos. And these videos were produced following the COVID safe procedures, that is practicing social distancing and other measures that as directed by the Ministry of Health. Now more than ever, ladies and gentlemen, we must empower young budding filmmakers to become agile participants in economic activities. And by investing in our young filmmakers, we are contributing to their capability to succeed. We're giving them a starting point in making a difference in society and introducing a sense of independence and distinctiveness. The mobile movie competition received a total of about 46 odd registrations, as mentioned, and in two categories: budding, that was below 18 years, and professional, which was above 18 years. Through the mobile movie competition, we wanted to keep the Kula Awards momentum alive, and the competition became an alternative avenue to encourage the young and inexperienced filmmakers to utilize their creativity in an innovative manner. At the same time, the work of the professional participants gives confidence to those younger Fijians that there is a future in this industry and that they can also break new grounds as filmmakers. Ladies and gentlemen, whilst the COVID-19 pandemic has adversely impacted global and national economies around the world and our daily lives, it has also become a driver of creativity and invention. We have seen creativity in the submissions received in various genres, and I'm told the themes stretch from COVID-19 to love our locals and Fijian made, horror and comedy and social issues and tourism, and even the life of bees and the actual process of making honey. Ladies and gentlemen, as a government determined to provide economic access and digital access to all Fijians, we have set the direction for economic prosperity, and we are empowering young Fijians with digital skills, expertise, and applied experience in filmmaking, not only through these competitions, but also through the opportunity to work with international and domestic productions. Ladies and gentlemen, earlier last month we announced the successful premiere of the 10th episode of the world's toughest race eco challenge, Fiji, which emphasizes that Fiji is capable of hosting major international productions. And I'm sure a lot of you would have seen it in all its wonderfulness at the end of the day. Given that we are no stranger to reality TV series being filmed here, I wish to reiterate the importance of continuity in providing a platform to our filmmakers to sharpen their talent, as this would encourage and strengthen the growth of our own film industry. The film industry has contributed significantly to the Fijian economy, as last year alone saw film productions spend an estimated $138.5 million directly into the Fijian economy, and employment creation for about 2,700 odd Fijians. And despite the challenging times the world is going through, we must continue to give our filmmakers an avenue to express their creativity and refine their craft. At this juncture, I'd like to also state that this competition has been a collective effort of the Ministry of Commerce, Trade, Tourism and Transport, Tourism Fiji, and of course, Film Fiji. As we all know, collaboration is the way to go. The Ministry and Tourism Fiji have sponsored prizes that advocate the Fijian brand, and whether through the Fijian Made by Fijian campaign or our Love Our Locals program, which many of you may have already been a part of. And I wish to once again congratulate our winners and wish them all the very best in their accomplishments. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Naka.
The Best Cinematography Award in the Budding Filmmakers category goes to
Esakayangio. Movie was Mbera.
The best film in the budding film category for the 2020 Film Fiji Mobile Movie Competition goes to...
Again, Nisakaya, come back again. Hold on, my boy.
The best film in the open film category for the 2020 Film Fiji Mobile Movie Competition goes to...
Ritesh Chan for The Voice.